So I had low expectations for how enjoyable this was gonna be, and it's even worse than I thought.
You don't watch my videos? You ready? It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. That is not contour. But
There's so many. You do the talking.
fine. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a special guest. Who are you? If you've never watched my channel, this is my husband Andrew, and we decided to do this video. It was actually a suggestion from my friend Christine from Christine Grace Beauty, and she actually said to me she did a husband does my makeup video, and it was really funny, and she said you and Andrew should do it, and I was like, nah, he would never want to do it. And then I just off the cuff suggested it, said it to him, and he said he'd be interested. So here we are. Give us a brief history of your interaction with makeup.
I have none.
Have you ever even picked up a makeup brush?
Never.
Do you know what? I have all the makeup laid out in front of us so he doesn't have to go digging through my my little makeup bag. I'm actually going to be right back. I'm going to wash all my makeup off and we are going to get started. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Should I go wash my hands?
Yes.
Okay.
It's touching my face. What a transformation. I was wearing quite a bit of makeup before, and I did self-tan, so I'm a little bit tanner on my chest than I am on my face. He has no idea what he's in for. I think you're either gonna do like surprisingly very well or just absolutely horrible.
Well,
I don't know if there's an in-between. Okay,
there's a lot
I
of
also
stuff.
have all my brushes. I didn't wash them. Sorry. You don't care. I only care because people will think I'm dirty, but...
There's so many.
Okay, so I'm not going to tell you anything. Pamper me.
Well, okay, I assume we start with a primer, since when you're painting, you prime before you paint.
And there's also an artist, so...
But the problem is there's several primers here. There's 3 things here that say primer. What is this? I don't even know how to put this on your face. Okay, we're just
I
gonna...
feel like I'm crying.
I have to decide whether to use the Pore Professional Pore Primer or the Clean Slate Timeless Smoothing Primer.
I'm going to tell you right now, you don't have to use both. That will be a lot. It feels nice though.
Okay, I have no idea what this is supposed to look like. Okay, next is this thing.
What is that called?
Foundation. Put it on your fingers.
Yeah.
Face.
How have you seen me do it?
I don't know, I've never really paid attention.
You don't watch my videos?
I'm gonna do this number here.
Okay.
Number there. Alright, let's look.
I don't know if they can see how this is looking. Great.
Pro Long Wear Paint Pot. What is this? Wait. I'm supposed to use this, aren't I? Okay, I'm going to use the pointy sponge to make this stuff go in.
Go in where? What's next?
I don't know, this is so complicated.
Keep the van rolling.
Ugh.
Okay, let's move on.
I'm trying. I don't know. The only other thing, everything else here looks like it goes on your eyes. And what I can't figure out is if I'm supposed to use this soft ochre Pro Longwear paint pot. But it looks like something that goes on your face. I also don't know how to apply it. Okie dokie. Don't actually know what this does. Whoa. A lot.
eye. There's something in my eye.
You're supposed to get your neck the same color.
Listen, there's multiple steps. You're basically creating a blank canvas right now. And you're gonna bring all the dimension back.
With what? There's nothing here. All I see is stuff that looks like eyeshadows. Like, what the heck is this? This isn't for eyes?
No.
Oh, there's something on the back. Bronzer. So why do you girls have so many brushes?
They all do something very different.
Are you kidding? These look all the same. It's gonna take forever. We're gonna be here for hours.
Feels like you're painting. Wow, this is very bronzed.
Yeah. Tarte Pro Glow To Go highlighter and contour palette.
I do like to contour.
Contour. I've heard of contouring. Okay, so turns out a lot more of this stuff goes on the face than I actually thought it did. I'm trying to match the colors to what's on the brush here, but it's really hard to tell.
That is not contour. What do you think contour is? He's going for the middle one. What is contour?
I don't know.
Ah.
This way?
Yes.
This is a NARS something or other.
Or whatever. It's okay.
Oh, it is real dark.
I'm crying. Where are you? Tell me before you move my head.
Sorry, it's just terrible.
There's literally a tear like falling out of my eye.
Okay. Oh boy. This is just terrible.
Typically, I would take this brush to mix everything all together.
Okay, cool. So I had low expectations for how enjoyable this was gonna be, and it's even worse than I thought. So hopefully everyone else is enjoying this, because this is like just the worst. I can't really see. How much blush is supposed to go on? I don't even know.
Whatever you think is good. Do you like blush? If you don't like blush, then I'm giving you
Options.
options.
Alright, well, when we're done.
So I'm gonna help you with this one,
Okay.
because this is very kind of difficult. Like, I'm gonna just tell you what to do. I use this brush
Yeah.
dipped in this, and then paint on my eyebrows.
Oh gosh, okay.
Which one do you want to start with?
I guess I'll start with this one. Oh no.
Let me see. Oh my god. Okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
It's so bad. Oh, it's
Are you really trying?
just... Yeah. No one's gonna believe that I'm a designer.
I mean, it's not the absolute worst thing ever.
Are we done?
I need some eyeshadow, eyeliner, and mascara, and then I won't ask you anything else.
Alright, I'm gonna do this one. It's called Lustful by After Hours.
Show them the color.
Bad Habit. This one. I'll do powder.
Which is what?
I don't know, I'll mix a couple. We'll
Okay.
just sort of see what happens. Okay.
Okay.
Gosh, your eyebrows look so bad. Whoops, that's real red.
The eyes don't look bad. They don't look that bad.
Okay. Do you always do one?
I mean, you could do a non-winged eyeliner, but like
This just goes on the top, right?
Yeah, I don't do the bottom.
Okay. Do you leave your eyes open for this?
No.
Close your eyes.
Thank you.
Let me see. Oh, that looks so bad.
It's winging the other way.
What do you mean it's winging the other way?
What do you think a winged eyeliner is?
It's supposed to go up?
Where's the up in this?
I don't know. I use the erase tool a lot, okay, when I'm working. You're welcome. I'm using a bad gal bang.
It's open or closed?
Whatever feels natural to you.
Ah, Andrew!
One more.
In my eyeball.
Sorry. And we're done.
I need some lipstick.
Alright, just do your thing.
Well. Very wow.
Fix this little...
Ah! Ouch, you are not gentle.
Sorry.
I love this line, but you did a decent job with like matching my skin.
I think if I just keep doing this, it'll...
Yeah, my eyebrows are pretty like
bad.
they're a statement. Let's just say that.
And your...
I will say the eyeshadow is not terrible.
Thank you.
The eyeshadow really isn't that bad. It's really... I look weird. Oh,
like I'm kind of uncomfortable right now.
Why? Because I look so weird?
Yeah. I think part of the problem is I like did one eyebrow. Like I feel like one is going straight and the other one's going like down.
It is. I feel like this side of my face looks lazy because of it. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button down below and I will see you again for another video. Hopefully not with this face. Bye!